here at Sydney, Australia at Maroubra. What we're going to do today is a small study, just a small 10 centimetre canvas. And what we're going to paint today is these beautiful rocks. We're in the headland now, and it's a nice calm day. We've got the sea, beautiful, nice and blue. And we're going to start with some larger brushes, only a small selection of brushes. A large one and a small one for some detail. And just a palette. Simple colours. We're going to enjoy ourselves today, so let's have some fun. At its best. Just some finishing touches here and here and here. There we go. Stay tuned till next time.